Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a guild in Discord. At first, you need to head over to Discord into your server. Let's say this is my server. If I click on it, I don't see any guild option. Even if I go to settings, overview, or moderation, there is no guild option. And the reason for that is if your server is selected by Discord, you see this option, your guild invite is ready or join the first guilds on Discord. This is still in beta, so only a few selected servers are given the access from Discord themselves to be able to create the guild. So if your server is unfortunately not selected, there is nothing you can do. You could go and submit a form to ask for permission from the help of Discord's customer service team, but other than that there is no option to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.